I'm Amber from Outback Saddles. I'm just going to show you how to do a quick saddle fit to see if your saddle is fitting correctly. First step, with a flat hand, slide your hand from the top of the shoulder all the way down and out. You're going to repeat. What you're looking for is it should be snug but not tight. It should have even pressure all the way down. The next step happens underneath the saddle. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you on top of the saddle first. My hand is going to be about there, and I'm going to slide it all the way to the back of the panel. Now, I'm going to put my hand underneath the panel at the shoulder, just keep the saddle steady, and I'm going to pull my hand to the back and out of the panel. I'm going to repeat that. My hand is flat. I am checking for even pressure along the panel of the saddle. The next step, I want to check through the back of the panels and make sure there's enough space for the spine. When you want to check to see if your saddle seat is level on your horse, you want to make sure that your horse is standing on level ground, that your horse's head is not too low or too high, as well as the feet are spaced evenly apart. You also want to check to see if the seat of your saddle is level. If the saddle is like this, it's too wide, and pressure is going to come down onto the wither. If it is like this, it's too narrow, and you're going to have compression pinching through the wither